His footwork's going to have to be a lot more nimble than that if he figures on hitting me. Hapgood's my name, boys. Jimmy Hapgood.
I'm John Robinson.
Howdy.
This is Don West.
How you doing?
Right.
Oh, my son, Will.
Hello there, boy.
What? What?
Oh, that's Dr. Zachary Smith.
Hey, Doc. Where am I? We don't know.
We're headed for Alpha
Ralph?
Centauri, who went out of control and crashed. What about you?
What about me?
Oh, where were you headed?
Oh, that away. That is until I picked up your signal. You see, Traveling Man, he's got a nose like an old hound dog for hunting down doggies. Now, of course, you know what I call real donkeys.
What kind of a dog is Traveling Man?
Oh, he ain't no dog, son. It's my chef. It's in pretty good shape. Needs a little charging up, but pretty good shape.
Come on, if we take a look?
No! Stay.
Ruff. Ruff.
So you don't know any more about this little planet than I do you, Zach? Zach?
Are you talking to me?
Fall back and fix brakes for that name. Don't think of it,
Are you talking to me?
Of course, maybe he was.
You are? Are you really talking to me?
Be deceptive, you know.
No, are ya?
Yep, I'll allow you that.
You are? Is Timmy stuck in the well?
Down to it, I think you can.
Yes, what else are you gonna do about it? Oh no, you don't be sad about it. You don't be sad.
And you're all just like.
Yes,
You love
that's
it.
it. Stuck in the well, isn't he?
It's a terrible.
Is he really?
Lost.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
If you're inclined.
You are? Are you kidding me?
It's glass.
You're not.
Designed, isn't it? Yeah,
You are?
it's a year or two.
Well, which is it?
600, June 18th, 1980.
Which is it?
That's more than 15.
Oh, it's all that, Sonny. The
Really?
original mission. Satellite.
You gotta be kidding me. Yes, you are. Oh, what are you? What?
Maybe I did.
You're not letting me watch any TV, are you?
You're right. I must have killed a cat. Spot in this galaxy.
Oh.
Never did.
Are you good boys just to me?
Yes, sir.
You are? What are you talking to me for?
Think
Hey, what are you talking to me about?
well, sure, you didn't.
You don't like the show?
No, it's clear the ship and do it.
You
Stay
do?
with Mr. Hapgood?
You like it? You do? You really do? You what a crazy good girl.
I guess you've got me to thank for you being
What are you talking about?
Good.
I don't understand what you're saying. Well, to me, girl. To me.
Bet you were surprised.
Don't talk to me.
Oh, I'm not too surprised.
Are you sure? Oh, yeah. Oh. Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me?
Put your heart up and your blood down your
You are?
things.
Oh my goodness, what are you telling me? Are you saying I should be paying more attention to you?
And you know something, son? I ain't
Really? Are you
You don't really
silly?
need to do that. You have a space between you.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking
tell
about?
me they like that.
Huh? What?
Well, it ain't
What?
on account of dirt.
Huh? What?
Why do you?
Your mama? Oh, your
You ever hear
sister?
one man's meat be another man's poison? Well, I'm gonna tell you. You see, there could be spores on this bacteria.
Really?
Mixed with
Oh, are you fooling me?
ain't no
Are you kidding me?
that I didn't do that.
Are you kidding me? What are you saying?
Where?
Well,
Are you talking to me?
It's coming in on us.
You are.
It's mine.
Are you telling me Timmy's stuck in the well?
Oh.
Is Timmy stuck in the well?
Studied
Is he?
You did.
He's not. What are you saying?
Anyhow, I looped this little bitty.
Are you stuck on the
What did you
couch?
find there?
Are you stuck on the couch?
It could have been spring. Real great.
Oh, you
Wasn't
can't be stuck
scary
on the
or
couch.
Well, no.
Are you
yeah.
sure?
It was though.
Are you sure?
You see, I went out. Come back.
Oh, you
It was
are.
all
You're
smooth,
positive?
this outlandish bug. They were
What else are you talking to me about? Is that bugging you? You're on candid camera, girl. You like being on candid camera?
Did you collect any
Give me up.
specimens?
Just a
Do you like being on candid camera?
Boy,
You don't care.
I'll finish dating your ship if
You like it. You don't like it.
just enough.
Well, which is it?
yourself a deal.
You like it and you don't like
Maybe I'll
it.
tell you about them critters I run
What are you
across.
talking about? Are you being silly? You know you're not being silly. Are you talking to me? Is it important? That's very important. How important is it? Very important. Very, very important, huh? If it weren't so weren't important, you wouldn't be telling me, huh? Gotta be very important. Ah, you wouldn't tell me anything better. You gotta tell me more about it.
Right.
What do you say?
One of these days, I'm gonna find something a man can smoke with enjoyment.
Hey, Mr.
What are you talking
wait
about?
for me.
Spotted, the hottest accessory in town. It's new lean pockets.
I got you on camera.
Veggies with
I got you on camera.
wrapped in a portable cross.
Let's see how well it looks.
New